Hello everyone, today we'll do the split and how to do it. I will show you now some exercises which help you to do that. So if you're interested and watch good stretching with me, stay and we will get started. So first what we're starting to do, we will working with our knees. We'll starting take our knee more for ourselves and stretch down. 2, 3, 4, 5. If you want good split, follow me and stay with me, continue watching this video because it's so important. After that, we will start working with our knees. Take more for ourselves and push 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Working open our hip. 2, 3, 4, 5. From this position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Taking cover leg, pushing 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Taking left leg hand, take right hand, and moving in this side. Amazing work. Take two legs together, slowly breathe out and slide down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you like it, subscribe me, and text me like so. Bye bye.